Let's talk about conversion tracking now. What is conversion tracking and why should you use it? This is what you will do. You will send visitors to a squeeze page, which is the place where you ask them to opt in to provide their email address. And if they complete the desired action, they will get automatically forwarded to something called a thank you page, which is the place where you tell them, hey, thanks for providing your email. Here's a free report that you requested. We're just about to send it to your inbox. Just go ahead and check your email in like 5 minutes. Now, in a perfect world, you would see a 100% conversion rate. But unfortunately, this world isn't perfect. So if you have a really well-optimized squeeze page, you will see a conversion rate of 40%. And 60% of your visitors will not convert. They will leave without providing their email address. The problem is that we will not only run one ad. As you will figure out later, we will run at least 5 to 10 different ads. That's something called split testing. So we'll try to find out which ads is delivering the best results. So there must be basically something that will allow us to track which ads led to the 40% conversions and which ads are responsible for the 60% of visitors that leave the page without providing their email address. So it would be really great to say, okay, ad number 1 and ad number 5 are the true winners because the people who click on these ads convert, and ad number 3 and 10 are the true losers because we're not seeing any conversions there. So it'd be great if you could just scale the working ones and pause everything that isn't working. Now, in order to being able to track that, you will have to install something called a conversion pixel. It's a small snippet of code that is placed on your thank you page, and whenever a visitor opts in, whenever he makes it to the thank you page where he gets redirected automatically, that conversion pixel gets triggered. So you will be able to track exactly which ads are working and which ads aren't working. And that's not the only thing. Facebook is pretty smart. What you can do with Facebook is to optimize your ads for conversion. So Facebook will learn which audience is converting. And Facebook will optimize your ads automatically for the 40% of visitors that convert. This will make everything more efficient. So you've got to work with conversion tracking. Again, it's just a very simple code that you place on your thank you page, and it will allow you to track everything. You can exactly tell which ads are delivering the best results, so you can just scale them and you can pause everything that isn't working. And at the same time, you can tell Facebook to continuously optimize your ad for conversion so that you're getting the best results without having to split test a lot, which is great, okay? And now that you understood what conversion tracking is, I'll show you in the next video how to install a conversion tracking pixel on your thank you page.